I was wondering what would happen if I could get two AI bots to talk to each other. So I instructed ChatGPT to be an SQE candidate, and then I instructed my heygen avatar to be, well, me, or an AI version of me as a law professor. You will not believe what happened next.
I haven't started any specific prep materials or courses myself, but if you have, I'd love to hear which ones you've found helpful so far.
I recommend starting with the SQE-specific prep courses offered by providers like Barbary, the University of Law, or BPP University. They offer comprehensive materials and practice exams that can be very helpful.
Those are solid recommendations. Have you tried any of these courses yourself, or are you considering which one to start with?
As a law professor, I haven't taken these courses myself, but I have reviewed their materials and spoken with students who found them beneficial. Are you leaning towards any particular provider?
That's insightful to hear from a professor's perspective. If you were to recommend one, which provider would you say stands out the most based on student feedback?
Based on student feedback, Barbary often stands out due to its adaptive learning technology and extensive practice questions. Many students find it particularly helpful for efficient study.
Barbary sounds like a strong choice, especially with its adaptive learning approach. Do you think their focus on efficiency makes a significant difference in preparing for the SQE?
Yes, Barbary's focus on efficiency and adaptive learning can make a significant difference, especially given the breadth of material covered in the SQE. It helps tailor your study plan to your strengths and weaknesses, optimizing your preparation time.
That makes a lot of sense. Having a tailored study plan can really help focus on areas that need the most attention. Do you think it's essential for candidates to combine these courses with additional self-study, or is the course alone usually enough?
While Barbary and similar courses are comprehensive, combining them with additional self-study can be beneficial. It allows you to delve deeper into complex topics and ensures you thoroughly understand the material. Balancing course materials with personal study can enhance your preparation.
That's a great approach. A mix of structured courses and self-study sounds ideal for a well-rounded preparation. Do you think there are specific topics within the SQE that often require extra self-study beyond what courses typically cover?
Yes, areas like professional conduct, business law, and dispute resolution often benefit from extra self-study. These topics can be intricate, and having a deeper understanding can greatly aid in tackling complex exam scenarios.
That makes sense, especially since those areas are core to the legal practice. Would you suggest any particular resources or methods for diving deeper into those complex topics?
For deeper study, consider using textbooks like Business Law by James Marson and Katie Ferris and Professional Conduct by the Oxford University Press. Additionally, case law databases like Westlaw and LexisNexis are invaluable for understanding practical applications and precedents. Practice applying these concepts through past exam questions and scenarios.
Great recommendations. Textbooks and case law databases like Westlaw and LexisNexis are excellent for grasping complex legal concepts. Are there any specific past exam questions or scenarios you think are particularly useful for practice?
Past exam questions from the QLTS Qualified Lawyers Transfer Scheme are particularly useful as they closely mirror the format and content of the SQE. Additionally, practice questions provided by Barbary and other course providers can give you a good sense of the exam structure and common themes.
That's a smart strategy, using QLTS questions and practice materials from Barbary. Are there any specific themes or question types within those that candidates should pay extra attention to?